Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing an update for my project pan, and this is a year-long project pan consisting of 5 products. If you want to see what my progress looks like this month, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like tricks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it, and the video's going to start right now. Alright, so I have everything in this little basket from Shamasay, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull something. So first off, we're going to start off with the Romantic Beauty ink dip liners. Now I feel like I'm reverting back to my old ways where I'm not reaching for this anymore. Last month I really use it a lot, but there's still a lot of product in here. I don't know, so there's not much to tell about this liner. I don't know how much longer it's going to be in here. I think this is going to be the last round for this product specifically. If I feel like I'm not using it this upcoming month, I'm definitely gonna just roll it out and probably just declutter it, just because, you know, it's just kind of sitting there. Next product we have is the Colourpop Flexitarian highlight. This is their Super Shock Cheek Pearlized highlight. So you guys know I have had a lot of progress with this product. It does kind of tend to move around because it is a cream highlight, and I do use it a lot. However, I just feel like, oh, actually now that I'm looking at it, I feel like there is a lot of progress this month. So I'm going to show you guys last month's pictures, and then this is how it's looking now. So hopefully we have a good progress picture for next month. And yeah, I feel like this one just kind of moves around a lot because it is a cream highlight, but today it seems like there's a lot of progress going on. There's a whole chunk of pan right there in the middle, so super exciting. Not much to say about this. I really love this highlight. I use it all the time. I try to throw it in with my makeup all the time just so I can use it up. Not that it's a bad highlight, I just, you know, want to get another empties in my collection. Next we have this product, which is another one that I didn't really use this month. This is the Italia Deluxe Nude in Ibiza liquid highlight. No, not liquid highlight, liquid eyeshadow. And I did show you guys last month that there is some holes in the actual product. I didn't really use it at all this month, so it's just kind of sitting there. It is kind of drying up, as you can see, so I'm going to try to use it this month a little more often, and then we'll see. If it's too dry, then I'm just going to count it as an empties. Next we actually have an empty in this project pan. Finally, I just had it for one round, but I did use this up. This is the e.l.f. Shape and Stay brow pencil. I'm gonna show you guys last month's progress, but literally I finished up the entire thing, so that's super exciting. This is gonna go into my empties bin, which is again really exciting. And I went ahead and pulled something to throw in its place, so I just went ahead and threw this back into the project pan, the LA Colors duo contour situation. This one here is in medium, so this was already in a couple updates back, and I did finish up the cream side. However, the contour side is the one that I kind of struggled with just because it's taking me a little longer to finish up, but I just went ahead and threw it in here. Let's just do it, let's just get it over with and finish up that contour side so it can go into my empties bin, because it's just kind of, you know, sticking around a little too long. And the last product to update is the e.l.f. cream contour palette. You guys know I throw this in a lot of videos. You guys always see me using this because it's yet another product that I really want to use up and get in my collection, but also it's really fun to see the progress with this palette. So I'm going to show you guys last month's progress and how it looked, and this is what we have going on now. So hopefully it's a huge difference. I've really been dipping into that with my brush. I'm really tempted to go into this one next, but this one has been really fun to use. I started mixing them in the beginning, but I just feel like I get more progress quicker when I do use only one at a time. So that's what we have going on right now. I really like it. It's really nice and blendable, and I feel like it's almost out. I feel like it's gonna last me 2 more updates, that like particular pan, but I think it should be out soon. So that's the last product to update, and we made it to the end. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices, are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have my Insta handle and my TikTok on the screen. I post a little makeup finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.